package.
Imagine. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Look at the merch. Yo, make sure you get that merch, boy. You want that merch? Hit me up. Hit me up. Let me know. We're about to show you guys how to avoid the policía in Mexico. Only in Mexico, not anywhere else. How to avoid the policía in Mexico and cameras, etc. Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you in this package I got right here that might be broken, but we're gonna find out. It sounds like it's broken.
Mine is breaking it more.
We're gonna find you imagine. Alright, so let's see what's up. I'll be mad as hell. I paid this money, like $20 for this shit and it's broken.
Yeah. Basically, you paid $20 for cardboard.
Yeah. We're gonna find out right now.
Okay.
Alright, so far we're good.
I think it's just
screws.
yeah.
So the screws, cool.
So apparently, I guess
UV resistant, fits,
acrylic.
user friendly, which I don't understand. I didn't even think they had sizes on it.
Yeah, I didn't.
So this is what I got. This is gonna help you stay away from the policía in Mexico and cameras.
Zone Tech.
So if you're doing stuff that I'm doing, you're gonna need this so the cameras don't see you.
Wow.
In Mexico.
Yeah,
Only.
Mexico.
Nowhere else. Only Mexico. Okay? I don't even know how to open this shit. Hold on.
There you go.
Let's see how to open this shit. Hold on.
Yeah. Did it come with instructions on how to open it?
It didn't come with instructions for that. Surprising.
Yeah, that's very unfortunate. You paid $20.
Demons to help me figure shit out.
Oh god, I think she finished something else.
Don't even mention her name because you say the name 3 times like Voldemort. She'll come up.
Yeah, I think I see her in the back corner. You know, just.
She pops up. You guys talking about me? Nah, you fuck that.
Right.
Yeah, look, it comes with screws at least. Look, kind of look dope.
Yeah, so you can get
I don't know why
screwed.
it comes with like 20 of them, but you only need 2 or 4.
Yeah, well, let's see what we got. So we got 2 of them.
Yeah, it should be cool. It might be just one. I think. Oh, it is the one. Okay. It comes with a frame. That's what it is.
So it's a frame and yeah.
So it comes with the frames.
Black.
And there's the tint. And then basically this goes like this.
Is it?
Some shit like that.
Or is it like
There you go. So anyways, yeah, something like that. If I want to play, I think it'll look better without this shit.
I'd say I don't know. I'd say put the frame on it. It's black. You can't go wrong with black.
With the frame, without the frame.
I'd say you should try it with the frame. You can always take it off afterwards.
Okay, but let's look at the plate real quick.
Yeah.
My plate right here.
I don't think you want to. You care about showing the plate?
Let me get my other plate. I think it's this one. Yeah. All right, we got one of my plates.
Yeah. So we have a sample plate.
Sample plate, yeah, it's fake plate. So this goes like this, and then boom.
Huh?
Remember at nighttime.
Yeah.
See it.
Because because we just have the light, right now,
flash.
shining. Yeah. Still shining.
Yeah. Without the light.
At least we know that plates reflect.
Yeah. So this is like a weapon for policía in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? They can't tell plates. So we're gonna put them on the car real quick.
Yeah.
I think it's this plate. You remember my plate for the Mustang?
Don't you have one of the?
I think I have one over here.
He forgot what plate it was.
Should I put a front plate or not?
What do you mean?
Should I put a front plate? Or should I leave without a front plate?
You should definitely put the front plate because legal reasons while being legal.
Wow. Alright, so yeah. So this is how you're gonna install it. Because people are kind of slow. Let's teach you guys how to install this shit. With the bolts are nice though.
Yeah, always gotta talk about the bolts. How nice they look.
Look at this shit. Look how nice this shit.
If they just come out of the bag,
Yeah, just fucking come out.
or they drop
Yeah.
onto a wet surface. That's good.
So what the fuck is this? A cap?
Have no problem. Did it come with instructions at all?
It did not come with instructions at all.
That's good.
I told you it's Mexico stuff, man. Come on. Pick up. Mexico will show you what to do.
Yeah.
Right now I'm just guessing how to do this shit. But I'm pretty sure it's just like this. Yeah, mine doesn't even screw.
That would suck.
I don't even think this shit's long enough for this shit. I think the Mustang is like, the bolts are different.
Well, they're probably thinking this is for, I don't know, a car that's not American.
Let's see. Yeah, it's not. This doesn't even fit at all.
Huh.
Nope.
Another problem.
So yeah, we're gonna have to use the old bolts. So this fancy ass looking nice ass shit, we can't even use it.
Yeah, mission failed.
Mission
We'll
failed.
get them next time.
Fuck that shit. So we're gonna have to go old school.
Yeah, and use the good old-fashioned bolts provided.
What the fuck is a screwdriver?
I have no idea. The flathead just disappeared. Does that even go? Oh, yeah.
There you go. It's gonna look something like that.
All right. So take two.
Let's see if this even works. Kind of put one side in there. It works. The other one.
Yeah, somehow you gotta get the bottom ones too.
So the bottom ones, I might have to use that stupid. It comes with some bolts and shit, so I might have to just tighten that shit. You feel it?
Yeah.
Let me see. It kind of comes with like some bolt type shit. So maybe that's what it is for. Don't come with no instructions, so you gotta pretend that you know what you're doing.
Exactly.
Look at this shit. So it comes with this. Obviously that. And you see it comes with like some bolt type shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all about winging it, huh?
Yeah, it's American. You gotta do what you gotta do. So literally, I'm thinking, see, kind of closes and shit.
Yeah, hopefully.
Holds the bottom. So we're gonna test that shit out right now. So let's see if my theory works.
Yeah.
With what I got. Oh look, that's a video. Holy shit. This is Mexico too.
The MILF just
So
called.
basically, look, put a bolt in, and then you get the watch. This is one of the washers. You put it in the back of here. I don't know if you can see in the back. You see?
Yep.
And then you grab this bolt right here, and you tighten it. That's basically how it works. Well, this is how I'm doing it. I'm making my own instructions.
There it is.
So that's gonna hold everything together. Alright, so basically this is what I did.
Yeah.
The back.
Yeah.
So you put the bolt over here with the black shit to make it look nice, you know what I'm saying? Then you put the bolt in the washer.
Yeah, tighten that
And
shit.
then you tighten it with your freaking hands. It's not that hard.
Yeah,
It's easy. You hold this shit with your fingers, you tighten it, boom, it's tight. Do the same thing on the other side. Not that hard. Come on, common sense. We're in Mexico. We know what to do.
exactly.
And then the same thing, you do it in the front.
Exactly.
It's kind of sad because you can't put these screws, pretty screws in it, so you gotta use these ugly ass screws.
Yeah.
But it's whatever.
Yeah. Mustang. Just gotta, finger the way into the hole.
Yeah, that's the other problem. You gotta find the hole.
Yeah.
Always a problem with tight ass holes, man.
Yeah, you gotta find it first,
There you go. Look, we found it.
Some people just can't find the hole. And some people, once they find the hole, they just can't fit it in. It's all about the girth.
It's all about the girth here. Yeah.
With a miniature screwdriver.
Yeah, you like that screwdriver, right? The Jabron. I call it the Jabron. So there you go. That's how it looks.
Wow. I mean, the camera doesn't do it justice, but, yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, you gotta take the flash off.
So yeah, that's how it looks like. This is This is fake plates. Don't mind it. So this is just for you guys to see.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Fake Mexican plates.
Yeah, fake Mexican plates. Yeah. So basically, the light is making you see it, but if I turn the flash off, so with the flash off, as you can see, it's kind of tinted.
Kinda.
See it? Like the camera can see it now. In the angle. So when where you're with the policia, in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's where we be at. We be at Mexico in the private parking lots in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? They let us do that shit for free. We go over there, we start doing our thing, so the cameras can't see. You know what I'm saying? We don't want people to take our footage. You know what I'm saying? That's why we doing this shit. We want people to imitate our footage in Mexico. So yeah, that's how you basically the weapon for cameras in Mexico. So yeah, now we're gonna do the other side and we'll show you. This is how the plates look with the tint on it, even though it's blurry and you can't see what's going on right there, but that's how it looks. It looks real good to me. What do you think, Ruben? Good?
Yeah.
Should look dope. Mustang. We're about to take her out right now to Mexico. and have some fun with the new weapon for Policia in Mexico. So yeah, we're about to start her up real quick. Get her warmed up. That's good. What do you guys think about that hat though? YouTube Adonis Cortez. You don't think it look fire? I think it look fire to me. Look dope. One day it might be merch. What do you guys think? Right now we're warming her up. That look amazing, bro. Right now we just finished buffering the car too as well, but you guys are gonna see that in the other video, a separate video. This is gonna come out first, then the buffer polish video, which both videos are the same day, but you're gonna see this video first, and then the buffer polish video will be the next one you see. Hard work, but the car looks amazing. But I'm gonna try to give you some footage of drifting right now. You know, we're gonna go to Mexico real quick. You know, pull up our green screen because you know we don't really do what you guys see on the camera. You know, it's green screen. You know what I'm saying? You know, this is just having fun with the computer. So hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. That'll help my channel grow, help me out, make more videos for you guys, and you help me out, we help you grow. So we both win-win. So stay tuned and think positive, be positive. Peace.
But he's also, Adonis, pay attention.
I am paying attention. Yo, we out. Going to the next Mexico spot. Going drifting. I'm not looking at the camera. Going drifting right now. Going to one of the spots. Hopefully no Mexican police out there, bro. Cameraman.
Ah, fuck.
Ready?
I'm gonna hold my soda
I
too.
don't know if my tire's getting on, so it's not me, man.
What do you mean?
Does it feel like when I have to ride?
Yeah.
The
So
cat?
much.
Fucking rev it. If I get fucked, look at my tire marks.
Oh.
How was that?
That was good. What's
Like,
doing?
the best way to describe it is, you know, when you're in a teacup.
Oh yeah.
No?
Set the camera over. That was dope. Was it dope or not? Camera
Maybe
has
hard.
enough. You like that shit?
Hell yeah. Maybe
Hell
hard.
yeah. How about you?
I'm dying back here.
That's a good
She said it's like a teacup.
Yeah, you know when you go in a teacup and you go really, really, really fast and you're like basically sliding like that.
So it's like a
That's
teacup.
how the back seat feels on a
Drifting is like a teacup, basically.
on the back seat. On the front it doesn't feel like that.
There we go. Can I get it in here?
Drifting is like a teacup.
The teacup. I'm gonna call it the teacup. Real quick, we're about to drift this roundabout that I've been dying to drift and have somebody recording the outside. So Sophia's gonna do me the favor, go out the car so I can drift the roundabout. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah. You can record from the back. Back experience. Remember, you can take it for that corner over there in the middle real quick.
Wait, you're gonna try and drift around that bitch?
Yeah, like not in the middle, like somebody could hit it, like right here. He's an accomplice. Where Mexico? Put that over there, in the middle. Yeah, right there. That's tight, so hopefully I can get it.
There's a couple cameras around here though.
Alright, so you know what that means.
that shit backwards though.
Yeah. Go ahead. Line it up. You ready? Drift around too. Hopefully there's no fucking yeah, there's like security coming around. No, Mercy's spinning on the phone. Effortless. The roundabout real quick. Matter of fact, I'm drifting on that bike.
I said drift around the bike.
You gotta get this car popped though. To take all this abuse?
Yeah, definitely.
Now I hit a third hit. That's time to go home. That's when you know.
There you go.
Tires are done. There's still air in. So the aftermath of drifting today. So yeah, you best believe tomorrow another set of tires to the back. Around this is like the fourth set.
65.
So what you thought?
Awesome.
You?
Teacup.
Huh?
Teacup.
She's a little.
That was amazing to me.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It was orgasmic.
yeah, perfect, fun. She handled it. She took it like a champ.
Like it did.
You gonna get me unmonetized if I ever get monetized, bro.
I literally be the guy to stop you from it.
Beautiful. Look at that beauty. Yeah, subscribe.